Hello, replay viewers. Got a nice sunset tonight. Just got some birds coming for some food. See if anybody's coming in. Snow this by now. Hello. Just catching the last of the sunset. In a local park. Last 5 minutes. I'll just try and get the swans in the shot. Where's the swans gone? Hello, Tilly. Yay, Derby. Yay. Not calling Derby. I've finished my walk. I'll tell you how I've gone on. Just give you a little bit of my sunset. Just speak to you for 5 minutes. Are you able to ring in? Derby. Oh. It's just gone 100% to plan today. I've just finished the walk. Derby's coming in. I'll tell you how I've gone on. He's taking his wheels off. Hang on. Go over here. Where's the swans gone? Oh, we are. They're coming over. Let's try and get the swans to come over. Hello. Hang on. Let me just get the swans' attention. Hang on. Let me just try and get the swans. Come on, swans. Derby's waiting. Come on. Come on, swans. Come on. I'm trying to set this periscope up. Will you come over? Can you tell the swans come over here? I'm trying to get them in the shot. Get them in front of this nice sunset. Come on. The swans are coming. The swans are coming. Hang on. I'm trying. They're not cooperating. Come on, get in the shot. Come on, I'm trying to set up a derby. The swans are coming. Yeah, swans are coming. Come on, swans. Yeah, I just completed the walk, but I just, in hindsight, when you think about what you've just done, you go, don't. Basically, what we've done, we met, and I obviously started walking and chatting, and I thought, where are we going? Right, and we were walking. Just a second. Just feed the birds. Just trying to get just trying to enjoy this sunset. It's only going to last 5 minutes anyway, so let's make the most of the sunset. No, no, no. This is just my local park. I'm just feed the birds, and then sometimes, if we're lucky, we have a sunset as well. So, yeah, in a second. Let me just feed the birds. Hang on. Just get the birds' attention while we're sunsetting. Hang on. Just throw them some food. Can you see them all in? Yeah, basically what happened was, let me just tell you what happened this morning. It's basically, we were walking and I thought, where's he going? And I felt like I'd already walked this way. And what he's got different routes. And unfortunately, he decided to come the Forest Park route. So I basically come all the way back where I started, and didn't learn any new routes today. So I went along with it. He basically brought me all the way back to Forest Park, and then we walked around the lake, went all the way back to the start, and then I just got my lift to pick me up at Morrison's, and then I've just said, oh, we may as well go back Forest Park now. Now it's a nice sunset, so this is the third time I've been here now. So that's the way we are. But I've met some new people anyway. They're a nice little group of people, and just to change from doing walks on your own anyway. But see how the weather changes so quickly. Yesterday it's pouring with rain, and now today it's been sunny, and then like what do you call it, afterglow, where we get all this nice sky. Because it's been like just a white ball all day, and then it's gone all nice. Yeah, look at that. There we go. Hang on a second. Yeah, have we just got a good signal, have we? I'm just checking the signal's okay. Hang on, let me just. All right, I think Tilly's just coming back in. Let's get Tilly in for a minute while she's coming in. Let's get Tilly in. Yeah, I think there was a glitch with the app because yesterday I was telling Tilly I was on my scope yesterday. There was no comments were coming up, but the comments are coming up all right today. There was no on my screen yesterday. There was just no comments, so I think it's working again today. A bit, a bit better now. It's not. The weather's a bit better. So. Got you a nice sunset and some birds today. So, yeah, I've just been on an organised walk today. We've got like a close to home walking group, and there was one advertised today. So I thought, oh, I'll just go to the walk because it was advertised as a route I wasn't aware of, and I just said to Derby, unfortunately, the route he took today was back to Forest Park. So I basically just I walked all the way to the start of the walk, and then ended up all the way coming back. So, but it's just he says there's multiple routes, and I thought about scoping it, but I thought I'll just take him where he tells me, and then I'll scope it another time. Yeah, but I bet you when you think about I planned this all day, this perfect scope look at birds and sunset. This is just completely random. I was just driving past and I thought, oh, I think I'll have a let's go scope the sunset. Oh, we are some more swans. All the birds are my friends now at the moment. I've got all the. Yeah, what it was when I finished the walk, it was just like a ball of light in the sky, and then obviously just driving home about 10 minutes, it's changed into all this. So it's you call it afterglow, don't you? When you have all these unusual colours, it was just a ball in the sky. Then when it starts setting, you get all these crazy colours. Oh crack! Yeah, it's been dry all day. See how it changes? The weather's crazy. It's well, yeah. Obviously, I don't know about the whole country. Obviously, in the Midlands, it's nice in the northwest today. So, all right. All the fun of British weather, isn't it? Every day's different. Yeah, I did see the chap Andrew who lives in Scotland. He did have a bit of snow on his scope a few days ago. He did have a bit of snowfall in his town. Yeah, yeah. I'm just trying to position myself, trying to get the birds and the sunset in the same shot. There we go. Yeah, yeah, Derby. All your geese are here today. All your geese are here today, Luke. Hello, geese. Say hello to Derby. All the geese are here today. Yay. That was, oh, I've just turned round and my lift's just give me this, Luke. Yay! Yay! I've just realised there's like a little cafe, there's like a little cafe on the thing. Must be still open. Yeah, I'll give you the coffee and the sunset. Yeah, yeah. Coffee. That's all. All we want is birds, a sunset, and a coffee. There we are. Let's try and get all three in. Yay. Got all three birds, a coffee, and a sunset. That's what we want. Yeah. If you can, I say I don't know. You can hear some music in the background. There's a car here. I don't know what's going on, but all his wheels have been took off. All his wheels are on the floor. I don't know what he's doing. All his wheels have been took off. I don't know what he's doing. Well, you can hear this music. You can hear this music in the background. It's a car with his boot open, and all his wheels have been took off. I don't know what he's doing. I think what I'll have to do with how cold it gets, I'll have to get some sort of like a bit like what do you call it? Not like a tent, something like I could probably be standing inside and like a little bird hive, where I can be away from the elements and keep filming this as it gets colder and colder as the sun goes down. Yeah, you need like a little sort of something you can just pop up and just keep away from the elements, keep a bit warm inside, Like a, yeah, I noticed that what somebody did during the lockdown. You can buy like a little mini greenhouse. It's like some little shelving, and then you have like a plastic piece over it, like a little miniature plastic greenhouse. And people were wearing that all over the body because it was like big enough to cover your whole body. It's like a COVID thing, This plastic thing. Hello. Yeah, it's probably similar to you. Obviously, all the indoor, all the obviously. Obviously, we're in level 3, and it's obviously just retail's all open, but obviously pubs, bars, restaurants, unless you can do takeaway. There's no inside dining, just takeaway only with food and drink. And obviously, if you're in it, yeah. I think some places in tier 2 are trying to open the theatres up. There is a bit of a, I think there is some theatres trying to open for do the Christmas pantomimes. I think there's a few tiers where the tier 2 they can have limited, they can open like sporting events and where they normally have crowds. I think some of them are allowed to open with limited numbers of people. Some sporting events. And, yeah, I'm just yeah, I'm just this drink that's appeared in my hands warming me up, but my scoping hand's getting a bit numb now, so I shouldn't be here too much longer. Yeah, 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 but like you have to make the most of the sunsets because obviously like Derby, you never in England you can't expect this every day. But it's amazing in lockdown where I've found a lot of places where I can do sunsets. I mean, there's quite a number of places. This is just my nearest place, but with limited time, I could have gone somewhere else. But this is just the nearest one for. This is the nearest place for a sunset, but there is multiple places. Yeah, it always looks the colours always look more vibrant on the phone. Obviously, you can probably see the colours look more orange on the phone than in reality. The phone seems to enhance the colours. It looks a lot more richer orange on the phone than it looks very very pale orange in reality. So I think that's like making it look sort of richer than it is, when you're doing it on your phone. Right, I'll just finish this drink off. Yeah, have you been retweeting? I don't, did Tilly have to? Did you repost that Santa Derby? Well, I showed Tilly that big Santa what I showed you this morning. Yeah, we saw a big Santa this morning, Tilly, outside this car dealers, and it was bigger than the bill. Did you see it? All right, yeah. I think I'm miles away. Okay, see you again. Bye. Bye. Right, hang on. Let me just put my cup down. Oh, let me just change my hand over. Just let me put my hand in my pocket. Hang on. I'm a bit numb now. Yeah, can you ask Google what the temperature is? Let's see. Let's try. Oh, oh. Yeah, what's Celsius? We don't know Fahrenheit in the UK. It's always Celsius. My God. Yeah, that's the hand numbing. That's the hand numbing wet temperatures. I think. Yeah, that's a sign of your hand numbing a bit now. So I'll just try and enjoy this reflection a bit while we've got some. Let's just yeah. Let me just get some. Let me just zoom in a minute. Hang on. I'll just give you a little close up. Hang on. Yeah. Let me just put on there. Let me just get rid of all the comments for you. Hang on. Hang on. Theatre mode. There we go. All right. Yeah. There we go. There you are. There we go. Let's just have a. Yeah. Let's just enjoy it for the few minutes we've got anyway before it goes, and then it could be much longer. What time are we on now? See, that's confusing me because it says the sun sets at 5 to 4, and obviously it's still light. There's still some light in this direction anyway. So yeah, yeah. Because they say, well, this is what you call it afterglow, don't you? In the UK, we've got a lot of these nice colours. A lot of these nice colours. Yeah, it's just like a ball. It's like a ball of yellow, then it just disappears. Like yeah, just goes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm just defrosting my hand in my pocket for a few minutes. Hang on. Oh. Yeah, I'll have to have like a heated something heated where you're holding your phone like a heated mobile phone case or something. Yes. Have you had a productive day then, Darby? Have you achieved anything yet? Because it's still early there, aren't you? Have you got anything planned for today? Right, right. Yeah, I think I'll. I'm just trying to think. What am I doing? Yeah, it's a bit weird, isn't it? See, obviously, I'm not used to being out till sort of 6, 7 o'clock, in the daylight, and you feel like a bit lost once the sun's set. You feel like you've got to go home, but obviously, I'm trying to. I usually go home about 6 p.m. You see, and then obviously it's getting dark now. I just feel it's going to be a long night if I go home now. So I'll probably think of a few shops to go, or I could perhaps do a scope in a few shops for the overseas viewers. Yeah, just Jason Who all over socials. Yeah, if you want to screenshot and share on my Twitter, yeah, I'm on Twitter. Right. Yeah, it's still weird now. While I'm just filming this sunset, I'm not getting any comments coming up. I don't understand how it works. I've just got like I can see your face in the corner, and the screen's blank. Really, there's nothing else on it. So very weird. Oh, yeah, yeah. I mean, if I tap the screen, then all the comments come up, but the comments will disappear, and they stay disappeared unless you touch the screen. I don't know if that's a feature I've got set up or what. It's like if I don't touch the screen, comments aren't there at all. They just disappear and stay disappeared. I'm on. Yeah, because I've noticed a few different people coming in with it being the weekend. Sometimes I get some different people in. You get a little different people coming on. Yeah, yeah. I say I can type it in my end. Is it DL? Oh, let's look what we're doing. Oh, one, two. Yeah, because I can type. I keep forgetting I can type in the screen. Is that how it is? Is that it? TL Derby. That's it. Type. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. Uh, TL. There there we go. Yeah, it's so weird. That's what I said to Tilly yesterday. She says, "You're not reading the comments." And I thought, well, my end there was just a blank screen, just what I'm looking at, and your photo in the corner, and it was completely blank. And obviously, sometimes I just stand here and comments are going up, and it's fine. I just, yeah, because no hearts are going to